In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and fund the Coinbase Smart Wallet. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand what's happening at every step so you feel confident moving through the process. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Coinbase. Be sure you're on the official Coinbase website before you proceed. Look for the secure lock icon in the address bar and consider bookmarking the site so you can return to it safely in the future. This helps protect you from phishing pages that look similar. Next, log in with your existing account. Use your usual username and password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that verification. Keep your credentials private and never share codes with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Once you're in, you're ready to prepare funds that you can later use with your Coinbase Smart Wallet. From your account dashboard, scroll down until you see the option labeled Deposit Cash and click it. This action is how you add money to your fiat balance on Coinbase, which you can then use to buy crypto or move value into your smart wallet experience. You'll now be asked to select a deposit method. Depending on your region, you might see options like bank transfer, ACH, wire, or card-based methods. Each option typically has different fees and speeds. Bank transfers often have lower fees, but can take longer to clear, while card methods can be faster with higher costs. Choose the method that fits your needs for speed and price. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Take a moment to review any displayed limits, estimated arrival times, and fees. If you're just getting started, consider starting with a modest amount until you're comfortable with the flow. When prompted, select your bank. If your bank appears in the list, choose it and follow the secure connection process. Make sure the bank account name matches your Coinbase account details to avoid delays. If your bank requires additional authentication, keep your device nearby and follow the secure prompts. Click Continue to review everything. This is your chance to confirm the amount, the method, any fees, and the expected timing. If anything looks off, go back and adjust before proceeding. Finally, follow the next on-screen prompts to complete the deposit. You may be asked to confirm within your banking app or verify a code. Don't close your browser until you see the confirmation. Once your deposit is initiated, you'll see it as pending or available depending on the method. After it clears, those funds can be used to buy crypto and power transactions with your Coinbase Smart Wallet. That's it. Safe, simple, and ready for your next move.